Good morning, children. Welcome to the science class. Today, we are going to continue with the explanation of the skeletal system. Last time, we have done the skull. Now, this time, we will take the second part of the skeletal system, that is the backbone or spine. So, let's read about it. What is given in your book? The backbone or spine. The skull is attached to the backbone. The backbone is made up of 33 movable ring-like bones called vertebra. Singular is vertebra spelling is different. It is pronounced same, but the spelling is different. When one we are talking about one, then it is Bravertebra. And when we are talking about 33 or more than one, then it is RAE in the end. So pay attention to the spelling in singular and plural. Then these 33 bones are arranged one on top of another, forming a column called vertebral column or spine. Column means a tube-like structure. They are forming after. Now you can see these are vertebrae arranged like this, and they are hollow in the center because they are ring-like. So there is a pipe like structure in the center, and from that only our spinal cord goes, and spinal cord is protected because of this vertebral column, because this is made up of bone, and that spinal cord is very soft, so it goes from inside and it is protected because of the vertebral column or spine. Vertebral column encloses and protects the spinal cord. It also supports the head, neck, and body for upright posture while sitting, walking, or standing. The vertebra or small bones give flexibility to our back. Now, suppose this would have been a single bone, then what would have happened? We would not have been able to bend forward or twist our waist or anything. That would have been very difficult to move, even to twist or to bend, then if this was not flexible. But because of the small vertebrae enclosed inside each other, they fit into each other, but they are not fixed. So this is flexible joint, and they can move inside each other, gliding over each other, and this is called facet joint. Now we will see how this works. You can see here, this is our spine. It can bend forward, it can bend backward. So why this happens? Because you can see the vertebra, single vertebra is like this, and there is a hole in the center, and this portion, it fits into the other vertebra. So this portion goes inside, see from here back, this portion goes inside the other vertebra like this. One portion goes inside at the back, and this forms a tube-like structure in the center, and from this tube-like structure passes the spinal cord, which goes till the brain. So all the nerves are attached to the spinal cord, and there is gap in between. From these gaps the nerves come out and they move to all parts of our body. So it is written over here. You have to remember that vertebral column or spine, it encloses and protects the spinal cord, and the backbone is made up of 33 movable ring-like bones called vertebra. You can see this is ring-like. In the center there is a hole just like the ring, and you can see here there is a pipe-like structure because they all are joined to each other. But these joints are not fixed. They just fit into each other, so that when you bend, this can this bone can bend because they are 33 in number, and this is not fixed type of joint. They just fit into each other at the back with this long bone. Okay, I hope you have understood how this spine works and how it protects our spinal cord. So next time we will do the third part of the skeletal system. Till then, Thank you. Have a nice day.